I wanted a full solid taillight effect for my GL1500 Goldwing rather than the original points of lights provided by the 20 individual light bulbs. I was also quite sick and tired of changing the bulbs when they burned out. For this reason, I used several LED strips, laying them alongside one another, 5 wide in the rear-facing lights and 2 wide on the side lights. There is no consistent way to dim LEDs the way you would traditional incandescent bulbs by using resistors. I tried illuminating only 2 of the 5 strips for running light mode and all 5 strips for brake light mode, but the running lights were still too bright and they just looked bad. So I designed and built a pulse width modulation circuit to solve the problem. When the brake lights are off, all of the rear-facing lights are in fact at full brightness, however, they are flashing on and off about 200 times a second. This is too fast for our eyes to perceive as flashing, so instead, we see them as dim lights. This is how most cars with LED taillights work. Adjusting the timing of the pulse width modulation circuit adjusts how bright the LEDs are perceived to be. When I hit the brakes, the pulse width modulation circuit is bypassed and the LEDs stay on. This looks much brighter to the human eye. I also installed a brake light flasher on my spoiler LEDs to help bring attention to the fact that I am braking. The 2 LED strips on the side lights are diffused fairly well due to the lens. The 5 strips of lights across the back, however, are somewhat visible due to the removal of the Fresnel lens inside, once the lights were converted from incandescent bulbs to LEDs. I tried several different diffusers to try to mitigate this, but each of them cut down on the light more than I was willing to accept, so I decided to go with bright brake lights instead of diffused strips. Overall, I'm quite happy with the conversion, and I'll never need to change a bulb again. For more information on this conversion and many other maintenance and aftermarket upgrades, visit goldwingdocs.com.